Students, the next topic is about the corolla. Corolla, which is also called as petal. So individual parts are called as petal, and all together we call it as a whole. It will be corolla. Now, this corolla also, just like the sepal, they can be fused or they can be free. So first, let us draw some free petals. Suppose this is the thalamus, then this is the sepal, suppose, and then the corolla, suppose it is free like this. Okay, so this will be called as free petals. Actually, we write petals because individually they will be petals. Free petals will be called as polypetalous scientifically. Okay, and in the second case, we can actually draw the thalamus. This is the thalamus. Never mind, the shape looks little awkward, weird shape. Here, if you look at the petals will be all fused together like this. The petals are fused together. Sometimes some arrangement are there in which you can see that these are the sepals. Some flowers they look like this, है ना? Some flowers. So this is the sepal and this is the petal. So petals are fused here. Okay, here also you can see from the base they are all fused. Only towards the margin their bifurcation is there. So fused petals, and scientifically they will be called as gamopetalous. Okay, I hope all of you understand it. ठीक है? हाँ, example we can say here rose, you can say polypetalous में rose है, उसकी सारी पंखुड़ियाँ अलग-अलग हैं, and for this one, for the gamosepalous, you can say dhatura. You have seen dhatura, is not it? So that plant has got this fused petals. So all of you write down. Now that we have studied sepal and petal, what is their arrangement on the thalamus? Based on that also, there is one more topic. Okay? So I am clearing this frame, and arrangement of sepal and petal. Arrangement of sepals and petals in a bud condition is called estivation. Okay, so this is the topic. So next is estivation. Now there are in your textbook there are around 4 types of estivation that we are going to study. The first one, it is called as valvate estivation. Valvate estivation. Now under the valvate estivation, all the petals and sepals, they will be arranged like this. Suppose on the thalamus it is arranged, so they will be all arranged like this. Okay. Suppose this is a sepal. Sepal is drawn like this, pointed, a little pointed. So suppose this is a sepal. All the sepals, they are free. Or even if there are petals, if the petals are also free, then they will be called as valvate estivation. Okay. Then the second type, it is called as twisted estivation. Twisted estivation. Okay? In the twisted estivation, one side of the petal will be inside, other side will be outside. Okay? All of you see carefully. This is twisted. In the picture, as I think it is understandable in the picture. So one side of the petal is inside and the other is outside. So like this. Okay, these are the petals and they are also free. Now sometimes they can be fused also from inside, they can be fused also, but overall if this kind of arrangement is there, they will be called as twisted estivation. Twisted estivation we find in China rose, okra. China rose we find, okra, you know what is okra, bhindi, okra, and this one we find in Solanaceae family, that is in potato family. Potato, brinjal, chili, okay, tomato. So in those plants you will find valvate estivation. I hope you have completed drawing. So I will go to the next sheet. So the third kind of estivation is called as imbricate. Imbricate estivation. In this you will find that one of the petals, it will be completely inside, or one of the sepal or petal, anyone, it will be completely inside. Okay, and the other ones, they will be one side inside and other outside. In this one, what do you observe? One of the petal is completely inside, okay, and one of the petal, it is completely outside, and other two petals or other three petals can be there, so they will be one inside, one outside. Okay, एक side out and एक side in. So this kind of estivation where one is completely inside, one is completely outside, one sepal or petal completely inside and one is completely outside, means it is covering the other two, and the rest of the petals, they will be one side inside, one side outside. So twisted type, others will be twisted type. So this is the type of arrangement in imbricate estivation. Okay, and it is found in tamarind. Then there is this fourth one, which is called as vexillary. Vexillary estivation. And in this kind of estivation, we will see that one petal will be very big and it will be almost covering the others. It will be very big and prominent, and the others will be little smaller than this one. Okay, and it will be completely covering, that means it will be outside, and there will be two which will be fused. Here are two, you can see. These are two which are fused, and then inside. Okay, it is going inside and it is small. Now this small and these two petals which are small and are completely inside, it will be called as the needle. Sorry, keel, huh? Let me take the wrapper. I have spelled it wrong. Keel. This is called as keel, and these two which are inside and outside, the twisted ones, they will be called as wings, a little bit bigger. This inside meal, it is the keel is very small and completely inside. Wings are little bit bigger, and the other one which is completely outside, almost covering the others, will be called a standard. Okay. Now this kind of arrangement is found in pea plant. Example is pea plant. ठीक है, आपने मटर का अगर देखा होगा, मटर के फूल तो वो ऐसे ही होते हैं. So I hope children are clear about it.